Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a new Binance airdrop. Yes, they are launching a new airdrop and it's not the BNB, but it's because of the Binance wallet, the Web3 wallet that they have. So this was officially launched yesterday and they are giving away $500,000 worth of crypto ranging from 1 SHIB into 1 Bitcoin. So this is very important. I am going to tell you how you can participate on this airdrop very easily. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well this was launched on December 5 and you can see airdrop time. We are giving out $500,000 worth of crypto ranging from 1 SHIB to 1 BTC. Even better, all you have to do is make a swap using your Binance Web3 wallet to qualify. So it seems to be super easy. You only need to join into the Binance and get the Web3 wallet. I think this is an amazing promotion from that. So here you have the official link, which is going to send you here. And if you are not logged in Binance, you will need to log in and you will see that says join campaign. So you just can click there, click on start the mission, and you can see down here that says complete at least one swap to join the contest and receive up to 1 BTC. Rewards will be airdropped to users' wallet within 2 weeks after action concludes. The total rewards $500,000 in tokens and total winners 1 million. The task status updates every 10 minutes. So this is going to be available only during December of 2023. You can see this ends on the end of the month. So here click on swap now and it's going to redirect you here where you can download the application or you can use desktop to get it. But the thing here is that you will need to download the app if you don't have the app of Binance. So the rest of this you need to do it from the app. So you can install your application in your Mac or your laptop, but if you already have it in your mobile phone, you will be able to use your Web3 wallet from there, from the Binance app. So here I'm showing you some screenshots from a mobile application of Binance. So if you want to do it there in your app on your mobile phone, you can go here to wallet section down here. And then you will see that you are in exchange. You can click on Web3. So doing that, you are moving into the Web3 wallet. So if it's your first time, you will see this. So basically it says Web3 wallet, easily secure your whole portfolio and click on create wallet. So you will be clicking there to create the wallet and you will see this. Remember, you are now in the Web3 wallet. This is a different wallet than your normal wallets of your Binance application. Here you can see I don't have anything and you need to back up your wallet now to get started. So when you back up your wallet, you click on backup now. You will need to save a password for security and save the wallet, also private key, all that. You can do it on iCloud if you have iPhone, or you can do it with a QR code. Anyways, after you back up your wallet, you can move funds here from the exchange to the Web3 wallet. So if you are already having money in your sport wallet on the exchange part of the Binance, you can move it that easily here to the Web3 wallet. If not, don't worry, you can just click on receive and you will have wallets that you can send it from another places. But this is a very easy way to do it right now, so click on transfer now. And let's say I want to move this $10 on BNB, so you can just click that. And after the transaction confirms, you can see that in the wallet you have now the balance, in this case almost $10. And from here, what they require is to do a swap. So you can go here to the swap section, and I will swap BNB for USDT on BNB Smart Chain. So you can click on swap, enter the amount and everything, and after it's processing, you will be successfully doing the transaction. So it's really easy to do, and doing that only one swap is what is required. You can go to the Binance Twitter and see more information there about there. But you can see that many protocols are supporting this airdrop, like GMX, RDNT Capital, Kava Chain, Akala Network, so many more. And of course, I don't know if you are going to expect too much of this airdrop. I don't really know more details right now, but in order to qualify, you need to do a swap, and it's very easy like I just showed you. Remember to check my website with many other airdrops like Wormhole, Orderly, 2 Solana airdrops that are hot right now that you can apply. Also Shultify for the Cosmos ecosystem. And I recently covered this interesting project called Garycoin, which is in pre-sale and they have an airdrop too. So you can go and check the first decentralized justice project on the crypto space. This is the issue, a new narrative. This could be really interesting. It's a community DAO driven project, so go and check it. And don't forget my subscriptions. I have a private Discord where we are killing it. Many people have been already received their Pepe Zksync. So many things are happening on my private Discord that are not shared here on YouTube or on other social medias. So if you really want to make money in airdrops and in crypto in general, join my Discord and you have my application that is going to automate a lot of the work that you do with airdrops. So check this video too if you are interested on that. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.